In the previous example, we have used this LCD wherein it has 16 bits, so you can see the in outs at the back of the LCD. Now we're going to use another LCD wherein it has a module connected on it. So that is called an IIC module. So IIC means inter-integrated circuit. So instead of utilizing the 16 pins, we can now use 4 pins, the ground, supply, SDA for data, and SCL for the clock. So we're going to use this LCD instead of the other one to demonstrate how it is connected. So you just need 4 wires connected to the 4 pins, namely the first is the ground. So you need to connect the ground, then connect it to any of the ground pins in your Arduino. So you have 3 ground terminals that you can use. Next is the VCC. Then connect it to the 5 volts of your Arduino. Next is the data. Connect it to A4. Then the last pin for the clock. So just connect it at the end of your analog pins, which is at A5. So those are the connections that you need to interface with your Arduino. So let us look at the other side of your LCD. Given the program earlier, we need to change the library from liquid crystal into liquid crystal I to C. So you can search for it and download this library. So sometimes it is not yet included in your Arduino library, so you need to download this and include in the libraries. So after downloading it, you need to include either the zip file, if you were able to download it as zip file, or include the necessary files after you have extracted it in your Arduino library. So you need to include this header file. So aside from including this file, you need to change this. Again, this is I to C LCD. Instead of the given 6 pinouts, you need to just include the address 0x3F. So sometimes the address being used is 0x27. So you just need to be specific on the actual value of your module. So there are some scanning codes that can be used in your Arduino. Just connect the I2C as is in your board, and then you need to run the scanner and open your serial monitor, so this one, so that you'll be able to specifically determine the address, followed by the size of your matrix. Then instead of using begin, we're going to use initialize. No need to include any values. So let us now try this and download on your Arduino. So there's the message, Mapua University, Arduino Uno. The backlight is not turned on, so if you want to make it brighter, just include LCD that backlight to turn on the backlight of your LCD and see what will happen. So after introducing this command, the backlight is now turned on and the text that we were able to print is now more visible compared earlier. So that is basically how you use or connect the LCD with IIC module to your Arduino board.